In this video, we're going to see how PCBflow can create data-driven price quotes for any bill of materials. Start your PCBflow supply chain analysis by logging into the PCBflow website. Once you're logged into your dashboard, click to create a project. Select Supply Chain Management and give your project a name. Now you can upload your own bill of materials file, or if you're just getting started, you can try our sample file. Next, you'll see your bill of materials. Each part is on a separate line. You also see filters, price per unit, and total BOM price. Use the supplier button to select the suppliers you want to work with. Use the colored filters to display the information you want. For example, here we have 20 parts. 9 items were not found in the selected suppliers. As you can see, the same status information is found in the Matches column. One part in this list is obsolete, and 5 parts are required by your bill of materials in quantities smaller than the minimum order required by their suppliers. For those parts, you'll have to either overorder or select a different supplier or part. The yellow icon here tells us that there are multiple options for parts, and you can change the default selection by clicking. PCBflow also links into the Valor Parts library, and you can display the VPL information for any part by clicking on the icon. This colored star here indicates the supplier rating by Cyborg and gives you crowdsourced information about the supplier to help you make your decisions. Now, all that's left to do is specify how many boards you plan to produce, set a due date for the project, and PCBflow automatically calculates your price.